If you're wondering what this wheel does on your Karcher Window Vac, this is a WV5, all it does is put out these little guides on the side here. So you can see as I start rotating it, can you see it sticking out here and here? And then I can put them back in again. Now you might wonder, what do you want them for? Well, let me bring them over to a window and then I'll show you how they work. Now let's pretend you were wanting to do this glass here. You can see that because we have this beveled edge here, that maybe when we're doing it, we might end up going up on this bit here and then it's not going to clean the glass there. What you can do is you can put the rubber up to the end and then you can rotate this and you will see now we've got it coming out. So this is just touching the wood, and now when I go down, let's do it a little bit more there. Now when I go down, can you see that we're against the wood? We don't have to worry about this edge here. We can just go down and I know now that this rubber is up to the edge of the wood. Yeah? Well, beforehand, if you didn't have that, you might find that the rubber ends up riding up here. So that's all it is. Thanks for watching.